ano eh. May experience ka na ba?
Siyempre naman.
Defensive ka! Okay, kasi parang ano eh, parang half-hearted, parang kalahati na nung naipasok mo kung sakaling na-experience mo. But! I love it! Okay? Kaya lang sa tingin ko, kailangan mong kumain ng talaba. Kasi parang kulang ka sa energy. And if you don't treat that problem, you might suffer from a condition called erectile dysfunction. At para maiwasan yun, try to do it the natural way. Avoid Viagra. Eat oysters in moderation because oysters are high in the mineral zinc that will increase your production of your horny hormone or your energy hormone, which is your testosterone. Thank you. Palapang po natin. Number 1, Jeffrey. Number 2, yeah, number 2, George and Sean.
Coloterrori.
Wow, Sean! Sean! Come back here. Sean, you know what? The energy is there. I love the way you groove. But, you know, with the snapping and hardcore pumping, I think you've been watching too much porn. You should see how we do it in Tondo. Dog style, monkey style, amphibian style, frog style. You were awesome, but sometimes you need to balance things out because what works in porn doesn't really work in real life. But all in all, you were awesome. Give it up for contestant number 2, Sean. Number 3, here number 3, we have May and Kevin.
Coloterrori.
Okay, number 3. Wow! Ano ba masasabi ko? Expert na expert ka, Kuya Pierre. Number 4, we have friends and
Coloterrori.
Kuya, tapos na. Ayan! Si ano? Number 4, Jeff. Wow! Patingin nga ng dila, patingin ng dila mo. Medyo maliit pero okay yan. Tandaan niyo guys, wala sa itsura yan, nasa dila yan. Thank you! Last but not the least, here number 5, Candy.
Coloterrori.
Wow! follow me on Twitter, twitter.com/mochauzum. And for you out there who are still virgins, don't forget to use protection if ever you're going to do it. But if possible, Please, please wait until you get married. Wow, very, very religious. Or, while you're waiting for the right person, practice makes perfect. And let's vote who will be our winner for tonight. Is it going to be contestant number 1, Sean? Number 2, Edwin. Number 3, Jeffrey. Number 4, Jeff. Or number 5, yeah, yeah, yeah. Congratulations, number 5. Please hand him our calendar. This is for you. And of course, the non-winners, you will get a very sexy red bikini